Hi everyone and warm welcome to a wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit, and with the help of this wonderful video I want to talk about one of those most interesting credit card which I have known so far in my life, and this card has indeed tempted me to make a video. Now do remember, this is one of those videos for the very first time ever on this channel I'm making wherein I don't hold that card, apart from one or two Amex cards as well. And this is one of those categories which has indeed pushed me to go ahead and probably publish a video, because the video details are quite exciting. So let's begin. Now, I want to talk about a specific credit card which has credit limit enhancement on demand as you go abroad. Interesting. I want to talk about a credit card which offers buy one get one 5 times in a month complimentary movie tickets. Not just movie tickets, events, activities, whatever functions, Bollywood, Hollywood, rock show, whatever. Only 5 times, buy one get one. I want to talk about a specific card which has airport meet and greet services 8 times in a year, which primarily talks about you going ahead to a specific airport, you get into separate row, separate place, somebody comes in, takes your luggage and give you a kind of a VVIP access. That's airport meet and greet services 8 times. I want to talk about a credit card which primarily talks about unlimited domestic airport lounge and of course unlimited international lounge access. But for domestic and international, I think the limit for domestic is unlimited and 12 for outside guests. So if you happen to take your friends and colleagues, 12 people are allowed in a year to go with domestic, if I'm not mistaken, and the same goes for international. Do correct me if I'm making a mistake over here. Moving ahead, it talks about complimentary Taj Epicure membership. It talks about complimentary membership of Taj Accor Plus. It talks about complimentary membership of Club Marriott group of hotels. Now, apart from that, you have 20% off, which you normally get with most of the Club Marriott membership. So obviously, Taj food and dining is always a delight to have. It also offers 50 times golfing lessons with the help of this particular credit card. And more often than not, when you spend 200 rupees from this particular card, which comes in the form of metal, it gives you round about 15 edge reward points. You heard that right. I'm talking about a credit card which is known as Access Private Burgundy credit card, and this particular credit card comes to free of cost to people in metal, specifically those who have Access Burgundy private account with an altogether net valuation of 5 crores and plus. I know you heard it, it's right. Now what do you get when you have that? So if you are already a holder of Access Private Burgundy account, you're going to get as a complimentary gift 30,000 edge reward points, wherein the value of each reward is 0.1 paise. If you are downgrading yourself from the card, then you would end up paying 50,000 plus taxes for renewal and for joining benefits. Now I think this card sounds to me kind of more beneficial. Plus, whenever you make a trip abroad, you get 0% forex. There is no interest on cash withdrawal charges with the help of this wonderful account. So if you happen to have Access Private Burgundy, you got to maintain mutual funds, deposits, salary, expenses, the total valuation of 5 crores within a month. If you happen to do that, let's say 5 crore, you are going to get this card complimentary. On the contrary, if you're going to come down to less than 5 crores, then you have to pay fees. In both ways, to me, it makes a lot of sense. Let's talk about the other important benefits which we have on this particular card. You have an option with this card called whether you want to maintain with so-called your overall net value relationship. Let me give you an example. You could have FD of, let's say, for example, probably whatever amount you want to have. You want to have mutual funds, you want to have life insurance, you maintain salary account, or you distribute funds from this particular account, you get income in this particular account. Altogether, if you're able to maintain 5 crores and plus, which is a big number, so this is probably an account for high-end individuals, kind of a filthy rich people, okay? So in that case, if you be a part of this account, these are the benefits you're going to get. And mark my words, people often talk about Centurion, people often talk about Citibank, other card, I forgot the name, and Amex Centurion and all those things, even Platinum Charge. It's very expensive, man. It's extremely expensive. So if you happen to have somebody who understands the gimmick of credit card, I think zero markup charges on the credit card, zero interest cash withdrawal, limit enhancement on demand when you visit Forex, foreign travel, 4.5 crores some other change travel insurance, 50 golfing round access, buy one get one 5 times movie event tickets, unlimited lounge, airport, domestic, meet and greet. I mean, what do you get? What else you expect when you pay 15,000 plus on a card called Axis Private Burgundy? In my books, I think this is one of the most premium credit cards which can give you a lot of value, and in my books it really gives more value than so-called Centurion, Platinum Charge, and the Citibank card, which I'm not remembering the name as of now. I hope this concept of giving you information, or probably giving you information with the help of knowledge, is going to make or probably help you with some difference. I've already started communicating with some of my members. I've spoken to 6 of them, and probably a few more members, 9 more to go in my stage 2 connect, which I'll connect today and tomorrow. And tomorrow I'll be connecting with my stage 1 membership. The gold membership people will be talking to me on next Sunday, because I want to make you feel special, because you are on a higher contract with me, and we want to make you, or probably give you more time compared to any other individual on this channel. Thank you so much for your trust, time, and you take care.